Hello, this is EV3 Trade Signal Ideas in association with Forex Fox. It's Tuesday, August 3rd, and today's video is on 5-minute trigger flow charts on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. The first chart is going to be on Bitcoin, and as per usual with the trigger flow index, it is in blue, and the Bitcoin is the other bar chart there, green and red. Have trend lines on both of them. We're going to be looking at these today through trend line analysis. As you can see on the red trend line for Bitcoin and price itself broke down there August 1st. It was been very bullish. All the bulls were coming out and thinking that we're going to get back up to 100,000. We may one day, but right now I still think it's a very healthy two-way market that we see in the 40 to down to 35,000 level in Bitcoin. As for the trigger flow, nice trend line here, almost 4 points. We broke down through there the beginning on August 2nd. That has led to subsequent sell-off in price, and we are making new lows on the trigger flow index. Doesn't mean we're going to go lower, but just want to say that it is a bearish tone that we have right now in Bitcoin. The second chart we're going to be looking at is Ethereum, 5-minute chart likewise, the trigger flow index blue. Likewise trend lines, the yellow one is for price. We're right at it right now, so that's interesting. Broken down, but we were right at it. So I don't want to get too bearish on it, even though we had been bearish with the trigger flow from higher levels. It's coming up right now, and just so curious enough, it is back testing the trend line. So that is a good example of just being patient and wait for direction from both price relative to its trend line and the trigger flow index relative to its trend line. And finally, we're going to close off this video with looking at Litecoin. The blue trigger flow index had come up, had been bullish, and had led price higher very nicely. But we're coming up right up against resistance here, so it's failed there. So don't want to get too bullish, but at the same time, don't want to get too bearish on it. Slight bullish divergence here in price, and price had broken up on it. So of the three, Litecoin does look the most bullish, but again, sort of a wait-and-see pattern. But what we can see from the three charts here today, trigger flow has led price in all three cases. Anyhow, you can see this type of analysis on a daily basis in all different asset classes in my chart room at forexfox.com, and you can sign up for a 7-day free trial at community.forexfox.com. Thanks. Have yourself a nice day.